guys, welcome back. My name is Ren and this is my channel, Wisely Made Up. Today we're going to be doing a Harry Potter themed makeup challenge where I will first be sorted into a house randomly and then I will be doing a look themed off of that. I will then be answering trivia questions, and if I get those trivia questions wrong, I will be subjected to predisposed punishment for each step of my makeup method. But I don't think I am properly dressed. So, and my hair got a little bit more Hermione. All right, time to get sorted. Give me the sorting hat, please, sir. What do I do? I just press. Oh, there it is.
Slytherin!
Oh no! Slytherin! I hate green. First question will decide whether or not I get to use primer.
All right. First question is, who is the resident ghost of Gryffindor Tower?
Nearly Headless Nick.
Ding, ding, ding.
And she gets to use primer.
We're gonna start off easy.
Oh. All right. And we're priming. And we're priming. All right. What's the next step?
Next step is brows.
Okay, brows. Question me.
All right. The question for the brows. According to legend, who created the sorting hat?
I have the founding fathers? The founding house people.
No, what were you gonna say?
The founding fathers, the house people. So Rowena Ravenclaw, Helga Hufflepuff, Roderick Gryffindor, and then the guy from Ravenclaw.
Godric Gryffindor.
Godric Gryffindor and
Regina Ravenclaw.
Yeah.
I think is her name.
So I was right.
It took you a long time to answer it. I felt like you were wrong until I stuttered.
I got it right. I got it right. Okay, brows. Well, my brows came out a little bit messy, but that's okay because I got the question right, so I get to cut them. All right, well, this is as good as that gets. So, next step, foundation.
What is the name of the only all-witch team currently in the Quidditch League?
Holly had Harpies. So how do I get to do it? Oh, with a sponge.
Yes, with a sponge.
It would have had to have been with a brush.
No, it would have had, yeah. It would have had
All right, next question.
Who was the Hogwarts headmaster before Albus Dumbledore?
I have no idea.
Armando Dibbit.
That's just great. What is my punishment?
Your punishment is going to be concealer with your hands.
So I have to beat it in with my hands. Oh, gross. Oh, that doesn't look too bad though. This hand is now my beauty blender. What is the next step in question?
The next step is going to be powdering. And the question is going to be, how many predictions did Professor Trelawney actually make in her lifetime?
Wasn't it 2?
Yes, it was 2.
Which means I get 2.
Bonus question. What are they?
It's the one about Harry and the one about Harry having it. They're both about Harry, isn't it? Yeah, the one that he made about him at Hogwarts when he was there, and the one he made about him, or she made about him as a kid.
So the first one is Harry Potter's intermittent birth and ability to vanquish the Dark Lord, declaring that neither can live while the other survives. And the second one predicts Peter Pettigrew's return.
Yes, both of them were about Harry. One during his time at Hogwarts, and one while he was a baby. What is the next step in question?
The next step is going to be bronzer.
Okay.
The next question is going to be, which department does Arthur Weasley work for in the Ministry of Magic?
Muggle artifacts?
Yes. Misuse of Muggle Artifacts Office.
Did I get it right even though I didn't get the whole thing?
more artifacts. I'm not expecting any more the whole thing.
Should I bronze super heavily because I'm a Slytherin? Or should I bronze lightly because we are pale? Oh, Grace. Oh, Grace. Oh no. She's a little too tan there, bud. Okay, what is the next step and question?
The next step is going to be blush.
Okay.
The next question is, what is Nearly Headless Nick's full name?
All right. I have no idea.
Sir Nicholas de Mimsey Porpington.
All right, so because I'm not allowed to use blush, and this is the only palette I brought out here,
You're going to use eyeshadow.
we're going to be using this eyeshadow as blush because this one is far too pink and I look like a clown, and this is the closest to the neutral shade of blush I use, so please don't be too pigmented. Oh, that's not bad. All right. Okay, next step.
Next step is going to be eyeshadow.
Okay.
And the next question is going to be...
Hold on, pause. I have the perfect brushes. View them, they are wands. Perfect. Okay.
The next question is going to be, in the 19 years later epilogue, which is the eldest of Harry and Ginny Potter's kids? What is their name?
Sirius. His name is Sirius.
His name is James Sirius Potter.
No! I got one in his name. Does that count?
Nope.
What does that mean? What is my punishment?
Non-dominant hand for your eyeshadow.
So that's right. That's my right hand.
Nice try.
Just kidding, it's my left. Okay, so we are Slytherin. So... Okay, we're Slytherin. Oh no! Okay. How... Oh, this is no good. So this is gonna be a very simple Slytherin look. Okay, now we just need to go in with some green. Take this, and we'll get this. Oh no, okay. And we just stamp it on using our left hand. This is hard. Okay, we got this. Oh no. Left hand. Damn. It honestly, like, hurts my hand to do this. Okay. Now time for the next transition shade. And I think I'm going to use a brown. And we blend. We want a dark. Well, one eye looks a lot better than the other eye. So use that. I take this smoky silver shade with my left finger and kind of stamp it on. Okay. And then I'm just gonna use this and smoke out my bottom lash. No. And then I'm gonna smoke it out even further using the green. All right. I think that's as good as she gets. Next question. And step, please.
Next question is,
Next
or
step.
excuse me, the next step is going to be your lashes.
Okay.
The next question is going to be, where is the Hufflepuff dormitory located
Next to the
at
kitchens.
Hogwarts? Where though?
Next to the kitchens.
In the basement next to the kitchens.
Yeah.
You got that correct. Favorite lashes?
Favorite lashes. Okay, I'm gonna hop off camera real quick and pop on liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. We're back. It came out pretty good. Okay, next question and step.
Next step is going to be highlighter.
Yay!
The next question is going to be, in the first book, on which floor is the off-limits corridor located?
It's the 3rd floor?
Yes.
Oh! Thank God. Now I get to highlight.
I know you love highlighting.
I'm gonna use one of these brushes. I guess this guy has been chosen. Good thing I don't have a timer. That one didn't take me that long though. I almost said 5th floor. But I was thinking back to my Harry Potter Lego game days. All right, next step and question.
Next step is going to be lipstick.
Oh, final step.
Next question is going to be, which ear did Fred Weasley lose?
His left ear?
It was George that lost an ear.
Oh no!
Put the products in a bag and choose blindly, but wisely.
All right, we need a bag. Into this bag, with the help of my handy dandy assistant, is going the Rainbow Jeffree Star Liquid Lip Collection and the Nude One. So,
It's like a sorting hat, but for your lips.
what color is
I
it?
can't see it, your hand's down. I feel like that doesn't count. You said this should be fun.
Wait, you want me to do it again?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, fine. I'm doing it again.
Is that good or bad?
It's green.
I guess we're meant to be a Slytherin.
I guess it go. You take that back. I am a Ravenclaw. All right. Here we go. I think then I'm gonna take the mystery color I originally chose, and I'm going to pack and then I'm gonna put just a little bit of sparkle on it, because you know, we're a Slytherin and we're a little extra. All right, guys, this is the look. And even with getting 5 questions wrong, I think it turned out really pretty. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.